Hey folks, this is Donnie with Better Than Web Design. I just wanted to go over a few things with you as far as the websites that we build and some of the SEO related things that we also include with our websites free of charge, already included in all the packages that we offer. So right now, and I'll try to make this quick, less than 5 minutes. This is a client care continuum. We did this website for them. They are a treatment facility in Alabama that helps out veterans with PTSD and addiction. So all websites that we install, we also include an easy to use, I call it a website page builder in WordPress that allows you to just come to your front end of your website and edit your website. So as you can see, as I'm hovering over here in all these different sections, I'm already in editor mode. So just for instance, if I want to change this title, I can just click right here and go up here and look, and then let's say I want to say facility at the end. I just type it right in there, and that's it. That's how easy it is to edit this. And then the same thing with your content. Down here, you got a couple paragraphs, and you can click in here, and if you can add a link, you can do all kinds of stuff. And you see, I got Grammarly, it's client's website, so you can just, if you install Grammarly Chrome extension, you just go over here and make sure all this stuff is properly spelled for your clients. And so I'll just go ahead and take care of this. This is their lab site, but I'm gonna go ahead and update it for them. There you go. And that's how easy that is. And all that stuff got updated. You see they have a link here. You got buttons. Let me click update real quick. Down here at the bottom, I'll click update just for that information because some things I'm going to change in here and I don't want to save. So that's the last save I'll do. But let's say I want to change the color of this button. You see it hovers over here. Maybe I want that thing to turn yellow with black letters. And again, I'm not going to save it. So all I got to do is just click on the button, come over here to style, click on hover, and you see that's the color it is right now. So maybe I want that thing to change to yellow. So I'll go somewhere around in here, a little bit of a bright color, and you can kind of hover over it right now. And then I want to change that font. And I would never put that on this site because the color scheme. But let's say I want to change that font color too. So right here, text color, I just click on it and drag this down. Now when I hover over it, now I got everything. And so it's decent when you hover over it, so you got yellow button. And that's how easy it is for you to edit your website yourself. You also have all kinds of widgets that come with the installation when we give it to you. Let's say I want an FAQ. I can just type up here FAQ and then drag this over, and I'm just going to put it here because again I'm not saving it. Let's see. Let's see. Come back down. Come back over here. I'm going to add a column here. And then I'm just going to come up here and type FAQ and then drag it over into that block. And so you can see you got FAQs, and you just click on here and you can edit your FAQs easy. Just type some text in here. And you can see that's how easy it is. And you also got the styles. You can change the colors. You can do pretty much everything in this site. Another thing you may want, maybe you want your posts in here. You can put your blog posts on your homepage if you wanted to. And then it's going to automatically put that up there. And then you can style it however you want. Maybe you just want 2 columns instead of 3. And then you see now it's more formatted with the 4 blog posts that they have right there. And I mean, that's just how simple it is. And then the other thing is when we do your websites, we have a checklist. Now, this is over 100 items on this checklist, and we don't do every single thing on this checklist. Some of these things are just for clients that we may share with them for some of the things they do in the future. Because when we do websites, we like to train, we like to educate, we like to make sure you know how to handle it yourself if you want to, or you can hire us on a monthly basis to take care of your website needs. But regardless, we go down our checklist and we make sure that we're trying to make your website suitable for search engines. We want your website to be found. We don't create websites just to look good, which a lot of our sites will look good, but we create websites for search engines. I mean, the purpose of your website is to customers your website, have people come to your website, get that information, buy your products, your services, or whatever. So we want to make sure it's right out the door, especially since we're doing it. That's our reputation. So we want to make sure we have a good reputation and most of our customers keep coming back. I mean, we have a very personal touch with them. And hopefully you can tell that just by the way I'm talking. Another thing I want to show you is an SEO report. This is something that I just built recently, and I like it. It's good for our clients. Now, you can find all this kind of stuff in Google Search Console, Google Analytics, which we will also integrate into your website. This is just a real quick way for you to come to check out your stats. So this is for Client Care Continuum. They hire us to do the SEO work also, besides just build their website, which their website's brand new. It's only a couple months old, and we've already got them ranking pretty well. So it just started in February is when their site started. So what you would do in here is say I want to look at their February data. So I would just come over here and I would go just check out February. So this is going to show me what they look like in February. So they had 409 users in February when we first started doing their SEO work. And you can just kind of scroll down here. You can see their sessions. So out of those 409, 490 clicked on. There were 490 clicks on links. That means they went deeper into the website. Page views 736. Now that could be anything like a refresh. Even if I'm working in there and I refresh the page because I'm updating or something, that's going to happen right there. Here's their page views by source. So you can see Google is the primary source. Then you got Bing, and you got some other websites and Facebook. 55% are on mobile, and then 44% are on desktop. And I think there's a little tiny sliver in here that are on a tablet. We just enabled users by age and gender, and I'm not even sure if that's going to populate or not. It's been over 24 hours since we enabled this, and I still don't see really any data. So we're just waiting to see if that's going to populate or not. If not, then I'll put any metrics in there. And right here you got views by state and country. So you can see this place is in Alabama, but they actually got more from DC viewing their website, and then other places as well, because as we do SEO, this veterans can come from all over the world to go to this place. It's a retreat style facility, so they can easily come from somewhere else. So you can see all of that, and then if you see something like China or something like right here, it's probably a bot. It's probably not even a real person, but it lets you see all that data. Top pages, they can see their top pages. This is the home page, and then you can see where other people have gone to their inner pages. Web performance in Google, this is how many clicks and impressions, how many people saw the site, didn't click on it, how many people clicked. This is a click-through rate. This is something like with their Google ads. They did have an ad campaign. Average position that they rank in Google. This is just a bar graph of like a daily view of their clicks and their impressions. Right here you can see the queries that they're ranking for right now, impressions, and how many clicks they've got. And the main thing for this place is you want to find, we're trying to get them for like the therapy near me type searches and facilities and things like that, because those are people that are actually probably more interested in actually getting themselves checked into the facility. However, any traffic is good traffic if it's related to what their area is, which is PTSD and addiction. So you can see we've got plenty of traffic coming in there for that, and potential customers for them, which they have told me that their phone calls have increased pretty good. And then right here is top landing pages by clicks in Google, this impressions and their URL clicks. So the client is very happy with the SEO work that we're doing, and he wants to continue doing the work and everything. Like I said, we work with our clients. We have a familiar personal touch how we work with them. But you can also come up here. So if you do that, then you want to come up here and you want to go check the next 30 days. So check 30 days on here, and then you can see down here at the bottom it says previous 30 days. So you can see they're up from their previous 30 days, which is good, and that says, hey, we're doing something right. Last thing real quick is this is Google Tag Manager. So you can see I have it running right now, and you can see right here it says Tag Assistant connected. And what this does is, you can see right here it says homepage, right? So I can click over here on, let's say, the blog. So as soon as I click on blog, and then I'm going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and I come back over here, and now you can see right here is blog. So this is connected to your Search Console and your Google Analytics and everything, so that way you can get more metrics on your customers and improve your website. So if they're bouncing off of your website really quick, and you can kind of see they scrolled, a certain portion of your website, then you can kind of get an idea of what you need to improve and what pages need to be improved and where they went and what they clicked on and what they're interested in, so you can like move things around a little bit and make it even better. Maybe, and then I'll click right here, and if I click on scroll, it can kind of give me an idea, like 90%, they scrolled 90% of the page for the blog. So I know they scrolled the entire thing and they were interested in things like that. So there's so many different events, the thank you page for e-commerce, so you know what conversions. If you run an ad campaign, you can install these clicks in there to know, to help you know if your ad campaigns are working properly the way you want to. There's so much you can do. There's tons of coding that you can do in here to get all kinds of different metrics. I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. If you need a quote, it's free, no hassle. We're here for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.